Alright, so I've been playing around with some clipboard ideas and I kind of came across something that I think would help some of you. So we've got our clipboard image here, and what I want to do is I just want to take this character out of here. I don't want the tailor in there. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to ungroup that clipboard. So let's go ahead and ungroup that. And then I'm going to start taking things out. So I'm going to take the black background out of there, and we'll take this guy. I just select the things I can. And we'll just go ahead and select as much as we can. Now you can see when we come in here, I've got this hand here that I have to take care of. So let's go ahead and zoom in here and look at how we might want to fix that. So I've got this spot here. I've got this. Now I can't get rid of the black spot, so let me see. Let's get rid of this hand. So you can see that. I can't get rid of this black spot because it's actually part of the entire image, as you can see. So what I have to do is kind of draw around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Freeform tool here, and I'm just going to draw and kind of draw around that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It kind of just get it in there. We're going to fill this. Let's fill it. I have the color already here, and then I'm going to get rid of the line. Let's go ahead and where's my no outline, and that's good enough. I mean, you can see a little off here, but we can live with that. We can get rid of this, and we're going to do the same thing here on the collar because it's this big black spot. So we're going to just do the Freeform tool, and we're just going to draw around here the best as we can. Doesn't have to be perfect for this. Now we can take this here, come to the format painter, and we'll just apply it to this shape, and that's good enough. And that works. Let's zoom out. So now we've got it. That'll look good for us. We can go ahead and do Control G, and we've got our character. Now let's say we wanted to do more with this. So this is kind of nice. We've got the character out. This is where kind of playing with the clip art can be pretty fun. So let's we're going to duplicate this so we can compare what we're doing. So let's go ahead and colorize his suit. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. We're going to make his suit this green color. So I can just let's zoom in here so we can work on this. So I'm going to select these pieces here. Oops, and we're going to make those all green as well. I can come in here, clean this up. We're going to make his pants. Let's make his pants a darker green. And let's make his shirt a kind of an off-white, or this yellowy color here. We can do the same thing here. We've got this. I'm going to select that. So we've got his shirt. We could make his skin tone. We can go ahead and color that. So we've got a kind of the skin tone-y color. Let's go ahead and choose that. Come up here. Do his face and his neck, the same skin tone. And now this blue area, what we could really do is just make this gray. So let's see what that looks like. Let's play around with some colors, and we can go real dark. That actually looks kind of good like that. But we're gonna select this one here, and we can go ahead and apply the same color there. And I could do the eyebrows if I wanted to here too. So now we've got that. Now when we pull out, we've got a character that doesn't even look like the original clip art character. And what's nice now is you've got this character, and you can go ahead. Let's move him off screen. If you wanted to, you can use them this way. You can zoom them in, and you've got some a pretty neat looking slide right there using the clip art that you've just customized.